Hi guys, welcome to today's review. It's Ghadi Detergent powder. So let's get started. This one is 1 kg pack and the MRP is 71 rupees. So let's cut open the pack and I'm getting this flowery fragrance. It's exciting on the mild side, but it smells good. Powder is on the bluish side and it has some blue stripes in it. Coming to the usage, pack doesn't give any usage instruction, but it cannot be used in washing machine. Ghadi has a different washing machine powder for which I have already done the review. This one can be used only for bucket wash. So let's try using it for bucket wash. Take a scoop and now dissolve it, mix it well, and after like a minute you see it foamed really well and there is no residue left, so it dissolved completely. There is one thing, the pack says there is no need to soak, just wash your clothes with this liquid, but I'm going to soak this pillow cover because it is heavily soiled. So I soaked it for 30 minutes and here we are. The detergent powder delivered some moderate cleaning performance for everyday use. While it effectively removes light stain and odors, it may struggle with tougher stains and heavily soiled items. For that, you will have to soak. And there is no fragrance from the dried clothes. So overall, it's a budget-friendly option that works adequately for regular laundry needs. Give it a try and subscribe for more. Bye-bye.